Let's take a look at the Google Home Mini. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Google Home Mini. It comes in 3 colors, chalk, charcoal, and coral. You can pick them up online for $50. The link is in the description below. Let's take a look at this smart speaker. It comes in this small cube packaging. The speaker is fairly small, almost like a hockey puck. It has a cloth top and a rubber bottom. Included in this box is the instructions manual and the power cable. To set up the Google Home Mini, you need to download the Google Home app. Plug in the Google Home Mini and then launch the app. When you launch the app, it's going to detect the new device. Click Setup. It will then try to connect to the Google Home Mini. It will ask you if you hear a sound, and if you hear the sound, go ahead and click Yes. Then you'll be able to name the device depending on the location you have it placed. The next screen will give you a list of your Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi networks and then enter your credentials so the Google Home can join the network. It will begin to connect to your Wi-Fi network, and once it's successful, it will say connected. The next screen is for the voice recognition. It will ask you for microphone access, and once you've allowed that, you have to say a few phrases so it can learn your voice. You then can pick a female voice or a male voice. And now you have the options of adding services: Google Play Music, YouTube, Spotify, and Pandora. And finally, your device will be connected. On the side, there is a switch here to turn the microphone on and off. Along with the voice commands, there are a couple touch features to control the device. Tapping on the right side increases the volume. Tapping on the left side decreases the volume. And if you press and hold on either side, you can play, pause, and stop. Hey Google, what's the weather in California?
Currently in Los Angeles, it's 58 and mostly sunny. Today, it'll be mostly sunny with a forecasted high of 65 and a low of 48.
Okay Google, who won the Lakers game?
Last Saturday, the Lakers played the Mavericks. The final score was 130 to 123 Mavericks.
Okay Google, play some easy listening music.
Okay, here's a Google Play music station called Lush Life. I saw you last night.
Okay Google, stop. Now I'll do a quick demonstration using Google Home Mini and the ELF Smart Plug. Okay Google, turn on everything.
Sure, turning the EquiElf on.
Okay Google, turn off everything.
Sure, turning the EquiElf off.
The Google Home Mini. If you are looking to enter the smart home speaker market, this device is worth the money. Don't expect rich bass from the speaker like the more expensive model, but think of this as a home assistant that can provide you with useful information and also has integration with many smart home devices. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.